Now what if I told you that there's an incredible app that you can install on any Amazon Fire TV stick in just a few minutes? This app will grant you unlimited access to the latest movies, TV shows, live sports, pay-per-view events, and so much more, all for 100% free. But that's not all. By following this video, you'll gain access to over 300 exclusive applications that also provide any content you want. Now before we dive in, I want to let you know if I'm moving too quickly, don't hesitate to pause the video and rewind back. I'll break everything down step by step. And one last thing, I want to stress something super important. Don't skip any part of this video. Skipping could mean missing key steps and not getting the best experience possible. Every detail matters when it comes down to fully loading up and jailbreaking your Firestick. Trust me, following along the step-by-step guide is crucial to unlocking all the amazing features and applications we are covering today. Now let's not waste any more time and let's dive in right away. So you're enjoying all this amazing content on your Firestick, kicking back, relaxing, maybe streaming your favorite shows. But what's your setup looking like? That's where today's sponsor, Flexispot, saves the day. Can a standing desk truly transform your workspace and productivity? Meet the E7 Pro Standing Desk, a premium solution that provides luxury, functionality, and durability. Right off the box, the E7 Pro screams premium. Everything is carefully packed and there's no loose parts. So if you're someone who cares about design, this desk is a game changer. Thanks to the dual motors in each leg, this desk supports up to 160 kilograms. I sat on it and it handled me perfectly fine. The motors are incredibly quiet, running at 50 decibels. That's quieter than a normal conversation, so it won't interrupt your work or meetings when you want to adjust the height. It features a LED touchscreen, adjusting the height feels smooth and intuitive. Plus it includes a built-in USB charger to keep your devices powered and a child lock for safety. Perfect if you have kids or pets running around. The Flexispot E7 Pro starts at $339.99. And considering the features, it's well worth the price. You can order it directly from Flexispot's website. They often run discounts, so keep an eye out for sales. Alright, let's start with step number 1. Head over to your home screen on your Fire TV stick device and find the search magnifier. Scroll down and click confirm on the search bar. In here, you're going to type in for an application called Downloader. Type in D-O, and you can already see it appearing in the suggestions. Scroll down and click confirm on it. And it's going to be the first application you see with the orange and white. Click confirm, and in this menu, you're going to click confirm one more time. Now it's going to start the downloading and installation process. Just wait patiently. After it's finished installing, you can now press the home button on your remote control and you'll be taken back to the home screen. Now we have to turn on developer options. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it. All you have to do is find your settings. The easiest way to find settings is heading over to the top right corner on your home screen. This icon right here. Now you want to scroll down until you see My Device or My Fire TV. Click confirm on the remote control, and in here you have a few options. I have developer options. You probably don't if you haven't enabled it yet, but don't worry, I'm going to show you how to enable it right now. And you might have noticed that I also have an option called USB drive. That's because I connected a USB stick to my Fire Stick. The top option is called About. Enter it, and in here it says Fire TV Stick 4K Max. For you, it might say something else depending on the Fire TV device you have. That's totally fine. What you want to do now is click confirm on the remote control 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After that, you will become a developer. As you can see, it says for me, no need, you are already a developer, but for you, it will most likely say congratulations, you are now a developer, and you can press the return button on your remote control, and you will now see the developer options appearing. Click confirm to enter it, and the first thing you want to do in here is enable ADB debugging, just by clicking confirm on the remote control. That's that. Now you want to scroll down and enter install unknown apps. And in here, we're going to find the downloader application we just installed. Highlight it and click confirm on the remote control, and that's toggled on. Now you can press the home button and you'll be taken back to the home screen. What we're going to do now is find the downloader app. The easiest way to find it is in our apps. And you can find our apps right here, this icon. Click confirm on the remote control and scroll down till the end. That's where you'll always find your recent installed applications. Click confirm to enter it. First time opening up the downloader application, it's gonna pop up this menu. Click confirm to allow and click confirm to hide this message. Now in here, you wanna scroll up to the search bar right here. Now click confirm and it's gonna pop up the keyboard. And here is where we're gonna type in a secret code. But before we continue, if you're in the US, Canada, or in the UK, you might receive something like this from your internet provider after using certain apps. Your browsing activity and the apps you use are fully visible to your internet provider, putting your privacy at serious risk. To make sure this doesn't happen to you, you need a reliable VPN like IPVanish. I'm going to show you how to get the best deal and walk you through installing and using it on your Firestick. I've chosen IPVanish because it ranks as one of the best and most affordable VPNs. Plus you can install it on all your devices with no limitations on the number of devices. This is by far my top recommendation when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying apps like these. And not only that, it will also bypass all those restrictions your internet provider is putting on your devices. Now before I open any of these apps, I always make sure my VPN is turned on. Now I'm going to make it super easy for you to get one. All you need to do is open any browser on your phone, tablet or PC and go to this website. You can also take out your camera and scan the QR code. Additionally, I'll also leave the link in the description. Now on this website, you'll see an exclusive discount. Choose your plan or just try it for 1 month. Complete your purchase, and once you do, they'll email you with a confirmation with your username and password. After that, you're ready to secure your Firestick. On your Firestick, go to the home screen, then find the search icon. Scroll down and click on the search bar. And when the keyboard pops up, type in IPVanish. Select the app from the list. In this menu, click download to start the downloading and installation process. Once installed, go to the home screen, click on all apps icon right here, scroll down and find the IPVanish app. Click the menu button on the remote control, select move and place the app all the way to the top. Click confirm. Now open the IPVanish app and log in with your username and password. Now before we hit connect, I want to show you a few settings. Scroll down and select the settings gear. You'll see a menu appear on the other side of your screen. Now I've highlighted where it says connect on Android Startup. If I click the confirm button and turn this on, you won't have to worry about turning on your VPN every time you power up your device. The VPN will connect automatically so you won't have to interrupt your movie to check if it's on. It'll do it for you. IPVanish also offers split tunneling, which lets you choose which apps use the VPN. This is perfect for keeping local apps showing local content when needed. It allows you to route some of your apps or network traffic through the VPN, while other local apps access the internet directly without going through the VPN. And here you'll also have easy access to your account information, and you can contact support if you have any questions or concerns. Alright, now hit the return button and select connect. You might see a pop-up asking if you're sure if you want to connect to the VPN. Just click OK. Give your system a moment, and once you see your country light up in green, you know you're protected. You also see a timer showing how long you've been connected. Now that that's done, simply click the home button on your remote control. The VPN will continue to run in the background, keeping you safe and secure. Now you can use any of these applications and enjoy unrestricted content while staying anonymous. No more internet provider letters ruining your day. Now the secret code is gonna be 8837673. Highlight go and click confirm. Now wait patiently for the web page to get loaded up fully. You might get this message popped up. All you have to do is hover over with your remote control to accept right here and click confirm. Now it's going to continue loading up the web page. Now you might need to verify yourself by hovering over here and clicking confirm, but it did this automatically for me. Alright, the web page is fully loaded up. This platform is amazing. You'll have access to over 300 exclusive applications. So the first thing you want to do when entering this platform is pressing the option button on your remote control. It's going to pop up this menu and you want to scroll down and click confirm on add current page to favorites. Now you don't need to type in that code anymore, and you can easily access this platform just by entering downloader and pressing the option button and going to favorites. There you have it. After that is done, I want you to press the option button again on your remote control and scroll down until you highlight full screen mode. Click confirm, and now you have a super easy user interface. Now scroll down. Now make sure that you have a VPN. If you don't have a VPN, you'll see your IP address right here. It's visible for everyone. That's why it's super important to have a VPN so you're protected. Now if you continue on scrolling down, you'll find search and filters. In here you can select any category you want and you'll only see the apps appearing in that category. So it's made super easy for you to select and find any apps you want. And every app also has its own description. Let me show you. If I, for instance, click on YouTube and scroll down and click confirm on any of these applications that perhaps I'm not familiar with, but I am interested in finding out what it is. After you've selected an application, scroll down and you'll find the description of any application. So it's super nice to have a good explanation before installing anything. Now, if you press return on the remote control, you'll be taken back to search and filters. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've all been waiting for. In the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I'm going to demonstrate how to fully load up and jailbreak your Firestick, which we've done. And you've also gained access to over 300 exclusive applications. Now, I also informed you about one last thing, and that is we're going to install an exclusive application. And that's the last part of this video. Now, you want to make sure to turn on your VPN for this. If you haven't, do it right now. And if you don't have a VPN, go ahead and visit the link in the description. You also help this channel out a lot by getting the VPN. Now, if by any chance you're unable to download some applications on this platform, you will get a notification that your ISP is blocking it. It's possible, depending on your location, that you're not even allowed to download it by your internet provider. So make sure to have that VPN on. Now you want to hover over the search bar right here and click confirm on the remote control. It's going to pop up the keyboard. Now what you want to do is type in a code. That's going to be 516. Now highlight next and click confirm. Now you'll see the app name and behind it, it will be that code. That's the app you want. Of course, I'm not going to show you that because it's going to be a surprise. Now scroll down until you find it. And it's going to be right here. Click confirm on the remote control and scroll down and you can view the description. After that, you'll have download files. You'll find 2 files in this case. And the one on top is always the one that's the most updated. Hover over the download button and click confirm. Now it's going to start the downloading process. Again, if you're unable to download it, your internet provider is most likely blocking the download. So then you'll need to turn on your VPN or get the VPN with the link in the description. Now in this menu, you want to scroll down and scroll to the right. So you'll highlight install and click confirm, and it's going to start the installation process. And that's how easy it is to install any application on this platform. So just wait patiently, and after it's done, it's going to pop up this message. Before opening it up, click confirm on done, so you'll delete the application and free up some space on your Firestick. So highlight delete and click confirm, and once again confirm to delete the file. And that's how easy it is. Now you can press the home button and you can find the new app in your app section. And I guess that's it for this video. Now, if you want another secret code of an application, just type in thank you and another code, please, in the comment section below. Now, thank you all for watching, and don't forget, I'll see you in the next video.